Want to send money back home using TNG eWallet but don't have a Malaysian bank account? No worries! In this video, I'll show you step by step how to verify your TNG eWallet remittance feature using just your work visa.
Step 1. Open your TNG eWallet app and tap on the remittance option on the homepage. Follow the usual steps by selecting the country you want to send money to and entering the amount.
Step 2. When it asks for your bank details, tap on No Malaysia Bank Account at the bottom. This will direct you to the remittance beta page. Step 3. On this page, click on Submit My Work Visa to proceed with your verification. Now we just need to wait for processing. Step 4. Now upload your work permit document. Only VPTE is accepted. Upload original cards, passport stickers, no photocopies or laminated copies. Other pass types will be rejected. Step 5. Select your work visa's issue date correctly. Check the Terms and Conditions box, then click Agree and Submit. And you're done! Your verification will be reviewed. Once approved, you can start sending money home hassle-free. If you have any questions, description, or contact customer support.